We've been seen. It's the night adventure. Do you know what time it is, little baby? It's midnight and you're still up. And we have to get up tomorrow at 5:30 so we can go to Arizona. And why are you still up? Why? Why? And you're so tired. Are you able to sleep, little night stalker? Here, it's right here. No. You want to... You're tired. You have to go to sleep. Halak lishon. Oh, you're sitting so nicely. Okay, blue. I know blue's nicer. Oh, you want the camera? Sorry. No, can't have it. Oh, fine. Okay. Okay. Oh, you don't really want. You want a camera? No, it's my camera. No, give me my camera. No, my camera. No, it's my camera. Get out the camera. Get up. You got the cord? Get off the cord. No, get up. It's my camera. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, sorry. What? You have to get another camera. No. No grabbing the cords. See? So smart. Okay, fine. There you go.